vampires walking through the valley, move west down Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys were standing in the shadows, and the good girls are home with broken